Hey guys, let's learn how to link our device to WhatsApp. All you need to do this is to head on and download the PC version of WhatsApp. I want you to head on over and launch your applications over here on WhatsApp. And since we do have a QR code over here, basically it's the same thing. Onto PCs, it's going to show you a QR code, and all you need to do is to scan that QR code using your camera applications over here onto your WhatsApp applications. So basically, if you want to do so, all you need to do is to scan it using your camera, and then it'll automatically be linked. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. As you can see here, onto the link devices, you can actually click on link device. And as you can see, it's going to automatically launch this scan application, and we could actually now scan the QR code onto the PC that we are using, and it's automatically going to be synced already. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And again, this has been How to Web.